These are the EZ-Ons Go-Getters sneaker we were sent a review from Dream Pairs. We love them, so let's take a closer look. Because these are incredibly lightweight and have a nice wide toe box, these are the kind of sneakers kids can wear without feeling like they're wearing shoes, if you know what I mean. So lightweight and roomy and comfortable. We love that these don't have laces. They have a great hook and loop at the top, stretchy bands, a pull tab at the back. All of these features mean that they are super easy for kids to get on and off by themselves, even in the morning rush. We've got a really nice padded tongue that has the Velcro strap on there as well, so you can secure it in place with that outer strap. It's nice and padded all the way around the whole collar here. The inside is nice and padded, very, very breathable. This mesh outer, it's gonna keep their feet nice and cool and breathing. This is not one of those rubbery, super grippy bottoms, but it is grippy enough, and it is that EVA midsole and sole that make it so lightweight, really flexible. And again, nice wide toe box. It's gonna be nice and spacious, not squeeze their toes. This is the black. They do come in a ton of colors. It's a super cute look, really great fit, really comfy. We love these sneakers from Dream Pairs, and we know you will too.